Hey all, so today we're going to talk about which programming language you should start with. So nowadays we have so many programming languages in the market, in the industry, which are used for one or the other purpose. But if you want to be a programmer and you're new to programming, you want to start with something which is powerful, which is simple, which is easy to learn, and where you can see the output as you code. So the best programming language at today's date to learn to start with as a beginner that I would suggest is Python. Yes, Python is a language which is very much powerful since it's versatile. You can use it for a number of applications. I can create desktop applications, I can create web applications, I can use it for machine learning, for AI, for data analysis. Being a data scientist, Python is a must for you to analyze the data. So Python is very much in use. So first reason why you should learn Python is because this is the language of the date. Another reason for learning Python is the syntax, the user-friendly syntax. The syntax, that means the way you write the language, the rules which you have to follow, the grammar which you have to follow, is much easier in comparison to other languages like C, C++, Java that is already there. So, since you don't have to put your focus on the syntax, you have to put your focus on the logic and writing your program so that you should get the required results. So I am not bothered about syntax much. I'm more bothered about the logic and the working. So Python makes it easier for you to get into the programming world. So it makes it interesting. It is fun to use Python. So that is my second point, that you should go for Python. And third point would be it is an open source language. You don't have to get any license. You don't have to buy the language to use it, to make softwares in it and sell it. You don't need any license from anywhere. It's an open source software you download from a free community. And then there's a big community of Python coders. So we can contribute to that community. We can learn from the community. So it is all in all a group which grows together. So that gives you exposure to new things, to discover, to just create something of your own and share with others in the same community. So if you want to start with programming and you ask me which language you should go for, I would say it should be Python. I started my programming with C language, and no doubt I love C language. It is very, very, very strong language, and like in comparison of flexibility or ease of writing, I would say Python is much easier. But as you say that there is nothing like your first love, so same is the case for me with C. So I love C, I would like it always, and it is still in use till date. So definitely you should go for C language later, because you're a beginner and I don't want you to burden with the syntax pressure. So I would suggest go for Python. For learning Python, I have a complete series on my channel where we are taking live lessons. So we have live lessons and we've started Python from the very beginning. So you can start it as a beginner and practice a lot of programs with me and make your hand, make your logic strong in Python by watching those videos and practicing the programs. So that's it for this video. If you have any kind of doubts in your mind, post them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And by the time I upload more, keep watching, keep learning with Learn to Code with Anjali. Thank you.